Hi folks, welcome to another episode of Kimbo's Hits. Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your my Turnigy 9X into from a mode 1, which is with the throttle on the right hand side, to a mode 2 to get the throttle on the left hand side. We'll flip it over here. First thing we got to do is remove the 6 screws holding the rear case on. I've already removed them to speed the process up a little bit. Next step, we slowly remove the rear case to the side, and this little plug here needs to be unplugged from the board. So we get our screwdriver, and gently put the rear case off to the side. What we're going to do today is transfer this bar mechanism here over to this side. This here, we remove these 2 little screws here. Transfer it over to this side. The one on the plastic post, the screw on the plastic post, this one here, only screws down gently. You don't screw it down too tight, you'll split your post. The one on the metal post on this side here, you only screw down partially, as this will affect the strength of the movement of the joystick. Our next process is to remove this spring in here from this lever. And we remove it from the bottom section as well. Put it off to the side for now. Remove the little lever. Transfer it over to here. It's a mirror image. You have a pin up here that it locates on, and over here you have a pin down the bottom here that it locates on. Put it on that pin down the bottom there. Grab your spring. Place the spring in on that bottom post like so. And I find using a screwdriver a little bit easier to get it onto that than a pair of pointy nose pliers like so. Okay, that's all the modifications necessary inside the board to convert it from mode 1 to mode 2. You plug your back panel back in again, unless you're doing further modifications. Make sure that's in firmly. Put your back case on. Like so. Grab your 6 screws, put them back in. Righto folks, in this next part of the video we're going to show you how to select the mode selection in the controller itself. I'll show you a little thing on here that if your switches up here are in the wrong position, your Turnigy will come up with an error when you turn it on, telling you that your switches are in the wrong position. Switch error. So make sure all your switches are in the forward position, and your display will turn on. To enter the mode selection, you can see down here, down the bottom here, it currently says mode 1. We need to change that to mode 2. And the way you do that is you press and hold the menu button. It'll say System Settings down in the bottom there. System Settings, hit Menu again, which is your OK button. That gets you into the System Settings. Right, we need to select Mode Select, which is your Enter button. We need to go down to the next selection. Hit Menu again, which is OK. We need to go down to Stick Set and make sure the stick set is in the right configuration. Hit Menu again. It currently says mode 1 up here. We need to change that down to mode 2 with your down button. Mode 2, hit your menu button again. It'll ask you if that's what you want to do, throttle reverse. You hit your menu again to say yes. That is now done. Now we'll back out of here. We'll go over into function settings. Hit menu again, and you go all the way down until you get to a thing called display. This is just to confirm that your mode has been changed. Hit menu again, and that now shows us that the throttle over here, as you can see there, is on the right, on the left hand side now. So the mode selection has been done correctly. This little display here also shows you other controls of the joystick that are functioning correctly. So this is a handy little thing to remember as well. And you exit back out of there, all the way back out, and you can now see down the bottom there it says it's in mode 2, and your controller is set for mode 2.